All right, we want to find this indefinite integral, 6x times the quantity 3x squared plus 4 all to the fourth power dx. Okay, remember this is indefinite integral. There's no limits of integration, right? We're just finding the general formula for this guy. And we notice it's a little complicated, right? We got the 3x squared plus 4 in parentheses, all to the fourth power, and the 6x. So there's a couple options, right? We can raise this all to the fourth power, right? Multiply everything out, right? Get this into a polynomial, and then just use a power rule for each term. But you know, that's going to take a little bit of time here and make it a little bit messy. But we notice that, you know, this is a composite function, right? And there's a, you know, if you're just looking at this, right? The derivative of 3x squared is 6x. So what we want to do is we want to use substitution here, right? If we let u equal 3x squared plus 4, right, then du is going to equal 6x dx. And let's take a look here, right? This is our u, right? So we can just replace that with u. And actually this is our du, right? Okay, du is equal to 6x dx. So we actually have everything that we need here, right? And this integral actually is just equal to u to the fourth power, du, right? So notice what we've done here. We've used a substitution. We're actually changing this in terms of x to u here. And this we can actually find, right? I mean, this is pretty straightforward. We know how to find the integral of something like u to the fourth power, right? Using the power rule, we'll just put u to the fifth over 5. And now in this case, we do have to add this constant c, right? Because we're taking the integral. And then for the very last step, we got to replace u with 3x squared plus 4. So we get 3x squared plus 4 to the fifth power all over 5 plus c. Now take a look at this, right? If we take the derivative of this guy, right? If we take the derivative of this guy, we should end up with the original, right? And in fact, we do, right? We'll bring the 5 in front, okay, make it to a 4, and then take the derivative of the inner term using the chain rule, which would give us that 6x. Okay, so this is our final answer.